G'day guys, Reese here. This is behind the B. Today we're in the pit stop. This is where we finish off our jobs, apply stickers, apply certification plates, and get things ready to go out the door. So as you can see behind me, the guys are working busily here. We've got the great pit stop sign up there. The guys are really into Formula One, so that's what we went with. We might move around the area now and give you a bit of a rundown of how we've set it up and why, and the benefits for you guys. So recently we've upgraded the pit stop area to include some demarcation around complexity of job, where things will get placed when they're getting finished off. So obviously over here we've got the slow area, we've got the medium area, and then fast. So jobs are scored based on the complexity in terms of how they'll be finished off, what needs to be applied to them to get them out the door. Slow jobs will be something a lot bigger. They might need stickering, it might need pinstriping, it might need certification plates, it might need jack stands fitted. Medium will be something a little bit more simple that might need some, rubber applied to it, again, stickering and things like that. And your fast area is something that might be basically ready to go, ready to jump on a truck. The benefits of this is it helps us reduce our lead times. So we can score jobs based on their complexity, put them where they need to be, and the boys out here can get them finished as quickly as possible on the truck and out to you guys. So we're in another pretty important area of the pit stop in the hub, obviously the packaging area. Everything here is organised, it's labelled, it's quick to grab. The guys can come in, grab what they need, get back over there and get the jobs finished off. Nuts, bolts of all sizes. This is always stocked and topped up when it needs to be. Moving through to all the fantastic stickers that make our product look as great as they do. Step treads, taping for the pinstriping, and your other sort of consumables, tape, things like that to help with packaging. Dangerous goods here. This is actually our certification plate machine, so we can actually get our certification plates ready, print them out, and then bang, straight on there. Obviously you guys understand certification is a big part of what we do, so having this ready, the PMs can jump out here, get one done, whack it on the product, and then get out the door. E-hub here, obviously this is a product that we sell. We use them in every single bay around our workshop. So this helps us connect to our systems, connect to the machines, and get things happening as quickly as we need them to. So another cool part of the hub is obviously the tool store. Everything's tag on, tag off, where the guys need it. Tool drawers, everything's got a place, everything goes back. Makes it super efficient and quickly for the guys. They can jump over here, grab what they need, again, back to it. It all just syncs up perfectly. All right, I'm out here with Kelvin. Mate, why don't you give us a quick little, what's your top benefit of the pit stop?
Actually, I kind of caught me out there, Reese, but whilst the pit stop is really clean, it's got great lean principles, there's a great team, and we've kind of built the pit stop around like an F1 principle.
Yep. I
think the number one thing about the pit stop here is the culture of it.
Yep.
And it's the fact that the guys are here and they're taking pride in their work.
Yep.
There's like principles around accuracy, the care that guys take with people's jobs. As you can see, the guys in the background there spending a lot of time on work, getting it absolutely smack-o to come out. So I think that's the number one thing. It kind of wouldn't matter what this area looked like. There's serious improvements, but it's the culture that actually permeates this area
100%.
that I think that actually really benefits the client. The client would kind of, when they see what comes back from out of this area, I think they would get like a feeling of that culture. Yeah,
I definitely agree. I think when something leaves here, you can tell it's been looked after.
Yeah.
It's been put on with purpose. Stickers are straight.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
And I mean, we have the sales team come out here like 2 or 3 days every month.
Yep.
And that kind of brings, that helps us to understand. We also bring like what we like to deliver to the client into this area, and we kind of bring it together, and the client, it's like a win-win.
Yep.
The client benefits every time. So,
100%.
Yeah.
All right, mate. Thank you.
No dramas.
Cheers.
We've got to get back to it.
So once jobs are finished and are brought out of the pit stop, we bring them outside here into the dispatch area where they can be loaded onto the trucks easily and sent up to you guys on site. As you can see here, we've got a couple of platforms behind me. This one in particular is for a DD421 windscreen change out. Stick it up, pinstriped, and fitted with its cert plate, which is obviously the be all and end all in terms of its fit for purpose and its safety. So yeah, that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thanks for tuning in to Behind the Bee, and we'll see you guys next time.